Welcome back to a special festive edition of Notes from a Small Workshop. December 2018. Where's this year gone? I hope your festive plans are all going well. I'll be doing a quick mailbag later on in this video. I've also got a little businessy thing to update you on later on as well, all about getting paid from customers. For now, let's crack on. First of all, I've finally set up a brand new Gosforth Handyman newsletter. It just helps me to keep all you lovely people up to date with what's going on, and I'm less reliant on the robots at YouTube. I'm not planning on sending out any more than about one email a month, so don't worry, you're not going to get spammed. So all you need to do, just go to gosforthhandyman.com/newsletter or use the link in the description below, pop your email address in, and then you'll get a little update every month or so to let you know what's going on behind the scenes and in front of the scenes, like everything. If you've been following me on Instagram, you will have seen that I have finally got my Gosforth Handyman shop up and running. I am so excited about this. It's taken forever to sort everything out behind the scenes to make this actually work. But on my shop, you can buy, well, at the minute, not very much, but you can get my trusty Gosforth Handyman tape measure. My favourite ever tape measure, and you can now get it branded with the Gosforth Handyman logo on. Metric only, double-sided, double reading, so you can read it upside down or the right way up. So you've got measurements like there and there and there and there. And a double hook thing on the end, so you can hook from the top or you can hook from underneath. It's awesome. You can get that online at the shop. You can also get stickers at the shop as well if you're after any Gosforth Handyman stickers for your very own sticker door. I've been using this type of tape measure now for about the last 6 months and it's been awesome. If Santa doesn't bring you one in a couple of days' time, then you can pop onto the shop and get one for yourself. I'll be adding all sorts of stuff to the shop in 2019, so keep an eye on Instagram, Twitter. I'll try and keep you updated on there, and I'll keep you updated in newsletters as well. I can't really easily stock t-shirts in my own shop because it would just be a total nightmare trying to keep track of like a million different sizes and designs and colours. I might get a few t-shirts printed up ready for Maker Central next year, so if there's any particular design that you like on the Teespring shop, if you just pop onto the Teespring shop, there's a link in the description, and let me know in the comments if there's any particular design that you want to see at Maker Central, and I will try, well, depending on which is the most popular, I'll just get one design done in a few different sizes, and then that particular t-shirt I'll keep in stock and have on my shop as well. That should work. But if you want a t-shirt or a hoodie or a baby bodysuit or anything else kind of that you would wear, head over onto Teespring and they basically sort everything out. As I say, link in the description. A few of you asked about the Drink Coffee Make Stuff mug, the Gosforth Handyman mug. That is, or a similar one, is now on Teespring as well, so you can get mugs off Teespring too. I am going to try and buy these in and sell them through my own shop. It might be a little bit cheaper, but not enough hours. You can also get Gosforth Handyman stickers on Teespring as well, but I think you've got to cut them out yourself, so, and they cost a fortune. So if you want stickers, pop onto my own shop and you can get a sticker pack on there, cheaper than you can buy one sticker, I think, off Teespring. So just pop on to gosforthhandyman.com/shop and we'll send them out from there. If you don't run your own business, you might find this section a bit boring, so you might want to just skip this bit. But as a general rule of thumb, when I'm doing jobs for customers, I don't leave site until I have been paid. I've had too many situations where the customer said, "Oh, I'll do your transfer," and then 2 days later they still haven't done the transfer, and you give them a ring or drop them a text and you can't get hold of them, and then a week goes past and they still haven't paid you, and then you get in touch with them and, "Oh, I've forgotten, I'm really sorry, I'll do it tonight," and they forget, and then another 2 weeks. Anyway, you end up spending more time chasing up payments and checking your bank account than actually doing any work. It's a total pain in the backside. I knocked it on the head about 2 years ago, and I got myself a little card reader to take credit card payments, and I don't leave site until I've been paid now, generally. This little iZettle card reader has been genuinely transformational for my business. Back in the dark ages, it used to cost a fortune if you wanted to take credit card. You'd have to pay about £40 a month just to hire the kit, like the reader, and then you'd be paying massive fees to the bank to get them to process the payments and all that sort of thing. It was a right rip-off. Things have changed, and this is something you can sort now, ready for 2019 if you run a business in the UK specifically. But anywhere in the world, I'm assuming this is kind of available. At the moment, if you use the link in the description, you can get an iZettle card reader for 25 quid plus VAT. Not per month, just 25 quid plus VAT. So what's that, 30 quid or something for a card reader. And then the way it works, they take, I think, 1.75% of the transactions that go through, which is a really good rate anyway. And I just add that onto the cost of the job, so it doesn't really cost me any extra. And that's it. It's dead straightforward. The card reader speaks to the iZettle app on your mobile phone. The mobile phone goes off to the internet and does its thing. So you just add a description and the amount in the app on your phone. Pops up on the card reader. You do the chip and pin thing with your customer, and that's it. It even automatically sends them a receipt by email or by text, and you can invoice through it as well. I think the rates are a bit higher if you're going to invoice through it, but for just normal chip and pin or contactless payments, honestly, it's brilliant. You can take pretty much any credit card, even Amex. There's no extra charges for Amex. It's awesome, it's professional, the customer's happy, you're happy, and the money appears in your bank a couple of days later. This video isn't sponsored by iZettle. They're not paying me a penny to make this video. I am an iZettle affiliate, and I am one for a very good reason. I've been using it for a couple of years, and it's awesome. There is no excuse in 2019 not to take credit card from customers. Use the link in the description below, and you'll get the card reader for 25 quid. Awesome. In terms of shop updates, there's nothing to update you on because I haven't had time to do anything because I've been fannying on with websites and been busy doing customer jobs. I still haven't got round to putting new wheels on my grinder. You've seen the lights because they were on a video, so I've done that. I still haven't started on the dust extraction. It's still in a box at the end there. I still haven't done anything with the Velcro mat that I was sent. I still haven't had a chance to put me flappy paddle thing on the table, so I will get round to it. Honestly, I just haven't had a spare second. Now that we're into kind of Christmas time, I'm hoping over the festive period I can get a bit of time in the workshop to catch up on a lot of these kind of behind the scenes things that I need to sort out. I still haven't sorted a home for my compressor either, not a proper home. And I've still got my old compressor in here. So in terms of shop updates, there are no updates. Sorry. Right, we'll just do a really quick mailbag today because it's not that long since we last did one. Let's have a look at what we've got here. Awesome! All the way from Jacksonville, Illinois, C&D Craftworks. Thank you very much. You will be going on the sticker door. Wayward Wood. Thank you, Wayward Wood. Doesn't say where you're from. Let's have a quick look. Portsmouth or Southampton or somewhere. Thank you, Dom. Your sticker certainly will have a spot on my sticker door. This one from Serbia, I think. Yeah, Serbia. Wow. Check it out. From B Wood, Serbia. Thank you, Bojan. That is absolutely awesome. All the way from Serbia. That's incredible. See what we've got here. Where's my knife? Check it out. From James. He sent me a bunch of hard drives. Awesome stuff. Thank you so much, James. That is absolutely brilliant. I get through hundreds of hard drives for storing video once I've kind of archived it off and stuff, so I get through so many hard drives, and he sent us 5 hard drives. That's absolutely brilliant. If you've ever got spare hard drives that are gathering dust, 500 gig or more, SATA, feel free to send them this way. But only if you've literally got no other use for them. Thanks again, James. Tremendous. Ah, there's my knife. Finally for today, and I will be doing a proper video about this, but I can't wait to actually have a look at it. So I'm going to have a quick look at it now, and then I'll do a proper video about it probably early next year. But TSO Product, thank you very much, TSO Products, have sent me a GRS 16 guide rail square for the Festool track saw guides. And as you can see, it does Festool, Makita and Triton compatible. Tremendous. Let's have a look. Wow. That is a thing of beauty. Oh, I want to try it. Let's get a rail. I'm just going to try it on a short rail because it'll be awkward doing it on the big rail at the minute. So I'm assuming, does that go under here? I should probably look at the instructions, but I do that and then that. Whoa, check that out! And then look at that, and then you can do perfectly square track saw cuts. Very nice. So that just overhangs the edge of the piece of work that you're cutting, and you've got a perfect square. Tremendous. As I say, I'll have a closer look at that in the new year, put it through its paces, but that is a thing of beauty. Link in the description below if you want to pick up one of these. They are quite expensive, but you get what you pay for with this sort of stuff. Axminster Tools sell them in the UK. Pop onto the link below and you'll find out a little bit more about it. Thank you once again to everyone who sent stuff in. If you do want to send stuff to the channel, then the address is in the About section on YouTube, or you can go on to gosforthhandyman.com and go to the contact section on there and you will find the address. And thank you for the emails that have been sent behind the scenes as well. If you do want to get in touch, there's a contact form on the website as well. I read everything. I don't always get a chance to reply to every single email. I do try, but it's a challenge. And sorry for the background noise on the last bit. I left the heater running and I forgot to switch it off. Oops. I'd also like to just say a really special thank you to Keith Brown over at Rag and Bone Brown. If you're not already following Keith, make sure you do give Keith a follow. The link to his channel is in the description below. He is doing a series of Q&A videos with makers from all around the world, and he did a Q&A session with me very recently. I'm not even sure if the video is out yet. It's going to be out. It's either just out or it's just about to come out. But a bit of a Q&A session, and some of the stuff from the other makers that he has interviewed are really, really interesting. So subscribe to Keith's channel, Rag and Bone Brown. Link in the description below. You're going to have so many links in today's video that you need to follow. Just go through them all and tick each thing off. If you just go through and do everything, then you'll be absolutely sorted. I wish each and every one of you an absolutely amazing Christmas, and we will catch up. I will have videos out before the new year, so I'm not going to go on the whole Happy New Year thing quite yet, but just stay safe, enjoy some time with your family, try and have a bit of downtime, enjoy Christmas. If Christmas isn't your thing, just try and put your feet up for a bit and enjoy some time off. And if you haven't got time off, and you work in an office or something like that, you'll probably find it's dead anyway. So It's probably quite a nice time to be in work if you don't really do the Christmas thing. Oh, and if you do get power tools for Christmas, whether someone's treated you or you've treated yourself, please, for the love of all things holy, look after yourself. Don't be complacent with them. Most dangerous thing in a workshop is up here, your brain. It's when you start to lose focus that things go wrong. Don't start using these tools until you've read up and maybe watched videos and you've been properly kind of trained up on using them, because I don't want you to stop watching the channel because you've killed yourself on a table saw or something like that. So please stay safe. We'll catch up very soon. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye bye.